Hello friends, welcome back to my another video of this channel. Here I'll show you how to create multiple user at a time. Normally we create one user at a time, but what if we have a requirement to create 10 or 20 user in single time and we don't have enough time as well. So in that case we have to do a bulk operation or bulk creation of user. So without any delay I'll show you how to create bulk user in one click in Azure portal. So let's get started. First let's go to the intro ID users. Normally, if we have to create one user at a time, then we go from here, then create a new user. But in this video, we'll do a bulk operation. That means we'll create multiple user at once. So bulk operation, bulk create. Then here we have to download a CSV template. Let's open the file. Let's go and fill some data over here. Here I will fill only name, username, password, block sign in, and probably first name and last name, and we'll import this data on the Azure portal to create bulk users. Let's go and quickly fill the data. Here you have to get your user principal name. So let's go and copy the user principal name from the Azure portal. So this is my domain over here. So in this video, I will just create two user, but here you can create multiple user and the process is same. So let's go and zip this file and import this file on the Azure portal. So here I'm going to upload the file. And this is the one that I just created. This was last month. Click on submit. It's in progress. Here it says file uploaded successfully as well. So let's wait for some time. And finally the bulk operation is successful. So let's go and refresh this page and we'll have the user over here. And the user I created in the Excel list is over here, Sagar Jackson and Suman Jackson. Let's go and see inside it. Account is enabled. And Suman Jackson is also here. Account is enabled. So this is how you create bulk users at a time. Here I just showed two users, but you can use 10 or 20 users using the same process. I hope this video helps you in any ways. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe the channel for more Azure related videos. I have also put Azure whole series for 104 certification. If you want, you can go and visit that series and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.